Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best gel and acrylic nail machine is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving salon-quality manicures and pedicures right from the comfort of your home, transforming your nail game with professional results and saving you countless trips to the salon, allowing for creative freedom and flawless finishes whether you're a seasoned nail artist or just starting your DIY journey. Number 5. MelodySusie Pen-Shaped Portable Nail Drill PC120B. Introducing the MelodySusie PC120B. This pen-shaped portable nail drill is designed for convenience and efficiency. It comes complete with an AC adapter for reliable power. Experience professional-grade performance with its powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor. This electric file ensures quick and effective nail care. It's ready for any task you throw at it. Its compact design makes it incredibly easy to handle and store. This device is perfect for all your nail care needs. You'll love its portability. From manicure polishing to precise shaping, it handles everything with ease. You can also use it for efficient gel removal. It's your all-in-one solution. Designed with beginners in mind, it's incredibly user-friendly. Achieve salon-quality results right from the comfort of your home. This tool makes professional nail care accessible to everyone. What we like. This compact, pen-shaped drill offers a consistent 20,000 revolutions per minute power, perfect for beginners. Its AC adapter ensures stable performance for all your nail care needs. If you are looking for a reliable, corded option for consistent power during your at-home manicures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. MelodySusie Pen-Shaped Portable USB Nail Drill PC120i. Discover the ultimate tool for your nail care needs. Its pen-shaped design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go beauty. Don't let its compact size deceive you. This electric nail file boasts 20,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient and precise results every time. Designed with beginners in mind, its compact form factor fits comfortably in your hand. You'll find it incredibly easy to operate for all your nail care tasks. From manicures to polishing, shaping, and even gel removal, it handles it all. This versatile device simplifies your at-home nail routine. Achieve professional-looking nails from the comfort of your home. It's the ideal choice for anyone new to electric nail care. Power it up effortlessly with any USB port. This feature adds to its convenience, allowing you to use it almost anywhere. What we like. This pen-shaped electric file boasts 20,000 revolutions per minute and convenient USB power. Its compact design makes it incredibly easy to use anywhere, anytime. If you prioritize ultimate portability and need a tool you can power with a power bank or laptop, this model is perfect for on-the-go nail care. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, so no product review points can be extracted. Number 3. Portable Electric Nail Drill Kit 20,000 revolutions per minute. This portable electric nail drill brings salon-quality manicures and pedicures right to your home. It's designed for convenience and professional results, wherever you are. With a powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor, it offers efficient and precise filing. You can easily adjust its speed for various nail art needs, ensuring perfect results every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for beautiful nails. It comes with an acrylic nail set, sanding bands, and a brush, making it perfect for both manicures and pedicures. It's ideal for various applications, from intricate nail art to removing gel nail polish. You can also use it for shaping tips and general nail maintenance, offering incredible versatility. Achieve professional-looking nails without leaving your house. This tool is perfect for both experienced nail technicians and DIY enthusiasts looking for high-quality nail care. What we like. This portable electric nail drill comes as a comprehensive kit, including sanding bands, a brush, and more. It provides everything you need to start your nail art journey right away. If you are a beginner looking for an all-in-one package to kickstart your home manicures and pedicures, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. Number 2. Flexible Nail Practice Hand Training Kit. We've significantly enhanced the quality of this practice hand. Its nail tips are now very firm, ensuring a stable practice experience. If tips ever loosen, a simple adjustment can secure them perfectly. This is an excellent toolkit for anyone wanting to improve their manicure skills. Even industry leaders use it for training. It's perfect for acrylic, gel, wrap practice, and intricate nail art designs. Crafted from sturdy, flexible ABS, it offers a realistic feel without any peculiar smell. Its size simulates a human hand, providing a high-quality experience for all your nail art practice. This training hand is fully reusable, making it ideal for continuous nail art practice. It features a flexible arm with real jointed fingers and replaceable nail tips, mimicking a real hand for versatile training. Your package includes the training hand, 300 nail tips, a file, buffer, clippers, and a brush. We are confident in its quality, offering a 30-day unconditional return and a 365-day warranty. What we like? This comprehensive training kit features a flexible, reusable practice hand with 300 nail tips. It's an invaluable tool for honing your acrylic and gel nail skills. If you are a nail technician in training or a beginner eager to perfect your techniques without needing a live model, this practice hand is an essential investment. What people say. Number 1. AIRSEE Portable Electric Nail Drill N24. Discover the ultimate convenience with this portable electric nail drill. Its compact design allows you to achieve salon-quality nails anywhere, anytime. Engineered for precision, this professional e-file kit provides exceptional control and power. It's designed to meet the demands of both beginners and experienced nail technicians. Whether you work with acrylics or gel nails, this tool handles them all with ease. It ensures smooth and efficient shaping, filing, and buffing for various nail enhancements. Elevate your nail care routine with its versatile capabilities. It's perfect for both manicures and pedicures, offering a complete solution for polishing and shaping. This kit comes fully equipped with 11 nail drill bits and 56 sanding bands. You'll have everything you need to start creating beautiful nails right out of the box. What we like? This professional-grade portable e-file comes with an extensive array of 11 drill bits and 56 sanding bands. It offers unparalleled versatility for various nail art and care tasks. If you are an advanced user or professional seeking a robust kit with a wide range of accessories for detailed work on acrylic and gel nails, this option provides exceptional value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.